Internet's Most Disturbing Videos by Nocturne.
The internet hosts millions of videos. Most are harmless entertainment, educational content, or personal vlogs. But scattered throughout this digital landscape are videos that document real human darkness.
Okay, I don't need the audio blast incoming, okay? Yeah, those are all like 2016 YouTube. Not loving that right off rip. Mr. Anime.
Sazler ran a YouTube channel where he posted anime reviews and discussions. On March 20th, 2012, the 22-year-old shot and killed his parents and older brother in Waller, Texas. Sazler maintained a YouTube channel and was known as Mr. Anime on the video site. During an 8-hour interview with Texas Rangers, Sazler confessed to killing his family and planning a Columbine-style attack on Waller High School, his alma mater. He later reportedly told investigators he was planning a mass shooting and had to kill his family first so they wouldn't be ashamed. In the early morning of March...
So they wouldn't be ashamed? That's crazy. You don't think they're going to be ashamed while you're taking their life? That's wild. How do you ever land on that in your brain so that they wouldn't be ashamed of you? So I'll just kill them.
The early morning of March 20th, 2012, Trey lured his mother Rhonda out into the garage where he shot her in the chest at point-blank range. From there, he entered the home and shot his brother Mark in the head. His father was also killed in the attack. What makes this case particularly disturbing is how Sazler's YouTube content may have contained warning signs that went unrecognized. Viewers who went back through his videos after the murders found concerning statements and references that only made sense in hindsight. On August 2nd, 2012, Sazler pleaded guilty to the murders and was immediately sentenced to life without the possibility of parole. Since then, he has shown contentment with being in jail and accepted that it is where he belongs. Sazler's case represents how dangerous individuals can hide behind normal online activities. His YouTube channel appeared to be typical fan content, but the creator was planning mass violence. The case highlighted the challenge of identifying genuine threats among the millions of content creators online. In August 20...
Okay, that was a weird transition. Okay.
22, a TikTok user named Jacob began posting videos of his dog.
This is in like every Bizarre Bub one. The fucking clown dude. That is so obviously fake. That's the fakest video ever, and it's very obvious. Ooh, not loving the channel right now, buddy. I'm sorry to say, because I'm skipping Randy Stare. Ooh, this one's brutal.
YouTube is filled with daily vlogs documenting ordinary moments in people's lives. Timothy Birmingham's channel was one of these wholesome spaces. Timothy's YouTube channel featured vlogs and life activity videos that showcased his down-to-earth personality. His content was genuine and warm, often featuring his partner Penny in videos, where he would show off cooking skills or document their daily activities together. The channel represented the quieter side of YouTube, real people sharing real moments without drama or manufactured content. On what seemed like an ordinary day, Timothy posted a video titled, "She's Still Sleeping." The video begins with Timothy expressing surprise that Penny is still in bed. He shows the clock, indicating how unusual it was for her to sleep in this late. The camera then pans to show a figure lying motionless in the bed.
Oh no.
Throughout the video, Timothy talks about how his wife almost never sleeps in like this. His tone is light-hearted, even slightly teasing, as he films her still form under the covers. The tragic reality becomes apparent either during this video or in his next upload. Penny had not been sleeping at all. She had passed away in her sleep, and Timothy had been unknowingly filming her body while making gentle jokes.
Yeah, but I mean, he's not gonna know though. Like, I mean, you wouldn't think that they're just dead. Like and it was like 11 something, I think, at first. Like, it wasn't that late. Oh, that's so sad though.
Jokes about her sleeping habits. What makes this video teasing her?
Bro, he doesn't play any of the video.
Missed rest in.
It's just him talking. There's no, you don't get to watch the video. the most disturbing video. It just explains it. I don't know. I don't like that part.
Roro-chan 1999 was a 14-year-old Japanese live streamer from Omihachiman, a city in Shiga Prefecture. Active from 2012 to 2013 on platforms including Twitter, Nico Nico Douga, and FC2, she had begun building a following as an online personality.
Bro, she's like a child. For how?
As a high school student, Roro spent most of her live streams playing piano, singing, and chatting with viewers. Over time, she became something of an internet idol, gaining popularity across multiple video hosting platforms. Her streams attracted audiences who enjoyed her musical performances and conversations. However, as she continued streaming, her mental state appeared to decline. Roro began talking about performing increasingly dangerous acts to gain more followers.
Oh no.
She discussed playing in traffic and standing on the edge of her balcony as methods to increase her viewership and notoriety online.
That's so goofy.
Her behavior became more erratic over time. Her emotions grew unstable during streams, and she would often
What I'm thinking in my head right now, I want to have a suicide live stream. Because I was a normal cute girl today too, so if I die, people will be surprised. What? What happened to your brain? That's crazy. And I was going to say, it's all the like short-term like growth that they want to experience. Cause it's like, yeah, if I do it on the edge of a mountain, then it'll be more interesting and I'll get more people today. Like when I stream today. And it's like, people just don't understand how it works. It just blows my mind. I mean, we see it every day now. We should probably know how it works. I just want to see the video, but I know he's not going to show it to me.
The exact causes of her declining mental state remain unclear, with conflicting accounts from people who claimed to know her. Roro had expressed the belief that ending her life on stream would cement her status as a legend.
I will put my iPhone on the rails and I will fall. Making sure to be on camera, making sure it will be gruesome. I will become a legend. That's ridiculous.
This dangerous fixation on posthumous fame became a recurring theme in her later broadcasts, as she sought ways to achieve lasting notoriety through increasingly risky behavior. On November 24th, 2013, Roro-chan began what would be her final live stream.
It had to be deeper than that, bro. Like, there's no way she was just like, I could use a few more views. How about I just kill myself? Like, bro, what?
In the camera to show her balcony on the 13th floor of her apartment building. As her intentions became apparent, the chat audience split in their responses. Some viewers attempted to provide comfort and talk her down, while others encouraged her to follow through with her threats.
That's
when
crazy.
Roro approached the balcony again, the camera suddenly fell, descending for several seconds before crashing to the ground below. A dull, sickening thud followed as she hit the ground
oh, she was holding the fucking... Oh, man.
beside the camera, ending her life at just 14 years old. The incident gained renewed attention in 2020 when Japanese band Shinsei Kamate-chan released Ruru's Suicide Show on a live stream, a song about Roro's death that sparked a controversial fan art tribute movement. This brought her story back into public consciousness years.
Dude, that's so sad. Oh my god. That was just depressing, that last one. Fuck. I don't like that he doesn't show the video. Unless his other ones are different, because this is 8 months ago. 4 months ago, he stopped posting.